You really think you can beat me, Ronaldo? Watch me.
Go!
Let's go, Ronaldo!
Go, go! Just give up!
Oh no, Ronaldo! Don't give up. I believe in you.
This time, we'll win. Ronaldo, you really dare to challenge me?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the World Helicopter Championship!
Go, go, faster! I can't believe this is real.
Dad, I also want the jet ski boat.
My son, I don't have the money to buy that.
Son, I will build a boat from the sand, and then you can play with it, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Look, poor Ronaldo!
Dad, I also want a new jet ski.
I know, buddy. We'll figure it out. Stop, son! Stop!
Congratulations, Ronaldo. You are now the owner of this jet ski.
Dad, there's Ronaldo.
They're pulling ahead! Yes! Go, go, I'm sorry, Ronaldo, for what I did. It's okay, Messi.
Like and subscribe!
Give up while you still have the chance.
Let's go! Let's go!
Just give up.
We are the champions!
I'm really disappointed in you.
Wendy,
Sit, I'll take you home.
Oh, no.
Wendy, why did you leave me?
One day, I'll have you.
Go get yourself a real race car, son.
You're beautiful. I'm going to buy this one.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the WL Formula One Championship, freeing the
You actually dare to come back here?
Today, I'll show you who I really am.
You win again! And the champion of the World Formula One Championship, Ronaldo!
I know I was wrong. Please forgive me.
After round one, the score is MexG 0, A2 Ronaldo 1. Ladies and gentlemen, round two starts now.
Ronaldo! Messi!
You really think you can beat me? After round 2, the score is Mexgi 1, Exu Ronaldo 1. Ladies and gentlemen, round 3 starts now.
Go, faster! Nice boat you've got there.
Do you really think he can win?
Yeah, I do.
Go!
I believe in you. You can do this. Ronaldo, I love you.
Hey, let's try this race. Let's try this race.
It's too big for us. We don't have the money.
I will win this championship.
All right, I'll help you.
Welcome to the WL Supreme Racing Championship. Loken, the most prestigious and...
You think you can challenge me? Just wait.
You are the loser.
Round 1, S, start! You really think you can beat me?
It's only the first round. Don't celebrate too early.